Hello everyone. Okay, so today I would like to tell you about comparative adjectives. So we use comparative adjectives to compare quality between two or more people, objects, or places. So to give you an idea, for example, someone may be taller than the other person, or a thing may be bigger or smaller, or a place may be older or more modern. Well, I believe it is very important to, first of all, find out what are the two groups of adjectives. There are short and long adjectives, and short adjectives are those which are one syllable, for example, tall, short, and big. And there are also two-syllable adjectives that end in y. That is, for example, happy or easy. The second group, long adjectives, these are two-syllable adjectives that do not end in y, for example, modern or pleasant, and all other adjectives are of three or more syllables, for example, beautiful, interesting, intelligent, expensive, and so on. Here's a short task for you. So if you could please take out some paper and try to group those adjectives into two groups, short or long. So you may pause the video and later start it again so that you can see the answers. Okay, so the answers are, well, the first group, short adjectives: quick, small, safe, old, young, and heavy. And the long adjectives, comfortable, dangerous, and expensive. Okay, so how do we actually form comparative form of the adjective? In case of short adjectives, we usually add er at the end. This is like the most common, like the most important rule. So, for example, you can see here small. We add er, and then it goes into smaller. We have tall, it is taller. In case of adjectives which end with e, we don't add er, but just r. So, for example, you can see here it's nice, then we have nicer, from large we have larger. When it comes to long adjectives, we don't add anything to an adjective. We put more in front of the adjective. So, for example, from interesting we have more interesting, from difficult we have more difficult, boring goes into more boring. And also in the picture you can see comfortable and more comfortable. There are also a few more rules. For example, if the adjective ends in y, we change the last letter, so we change the y into I, and then we add er. You can see here funny. From funny we have funnier, happy, happier, and angry, angrier. Well, in case of short adjectives that end in a vowel and consonant, we double the last consonant. So from fat we have fatter, from big, bigger. There's this double consonant, as you can see. We also have some irregular forms to which we don't apply any of the rules that I explained before. If we want to make a comparative form of good or bad, we just have to memorize the form. So from good we have better, and from bad we have worse. There is no like way to explain this. We just have to remember this version. And here you can practice I prepared some short tasks for you. So this is the first test, and this is the other one. So thank you for listening, and good luck with your comparative adjectives.